Hi, welcome back. Let's see the differences between array list and the linked list. Guys, both are used for to add the data and both syntax is almost similar, like we can go with the list interface L equal to new array list, and if you go with the linked list L equal to new linked list. Like this we can able to write both array list as well as linked list, and both are implementation of the list interface. These are some of the common points. But if you look into the difference between the array list and the linked list, guys, the main difference is array list internally uses arrays data structure, whereas linked list internally uses double linked list. Right? Is there a default size for the internal arrays list? Yes, the default size is 10. Default size is 10, and here is there necessary to define the default size? There is not necessary to define the default size, as the number of elements are going to be added by the user. It is going to create one node and it is going to be added at the required position. But here it is always going to increase its size by 3n by 2 plus 1 once it reaches certain threshold value. Right? As internally it is going to be use arrays concept. What about the manipulation process? Is manipulation of elements is going to be a slow or it's going to be a fast? It is going to be slow, because for example, if I am going to have an array 1, 2, 3 and 4, if you want to remove the value 1, what I have to do? I have to shift all the elements towards the left side. This is why manipulation is slow. But coming to here, manipulation is fast, because I will simply remove the node and I will try to connect both the things. Right? So try to observe. If I am going to have like this, initially they are going to be connected like this. If you want to remove this particular thing, I can remove this directly and I will try to connect these two. That is why manipulation is fast in linked list. And as array list will store only data, what about the storage thing? It is going to consumes less memory, it is going to consume more memory. It is because of it has to extra store for each and every element, both left pointer as well as right pointer. Okay, then when we can go for the array list and when we go for linked list means, basically if you want to store and access the data, we can go for array list. It's better. If you want to perform some kind of manipulation on the elements, then it's better to choose the linked list, guys. Hope you understood that explanation I have given clearly in this particular point. Right? So in which kind of data structure searching is fast? Can you guess it? Searching is fast in array list, whereas coming to linked list, searching is slow. The reason is searching is fast because as it contains the array, I can able to apply directly binary search algorithm, or whatever the algorithm that you are thinking that is the best, I can apply and I can try to filter out. Right? Binary search means I can able to select the middle one, I will try to remove the left side. So it is going to take very less time complexity, binary search. But coming to the linked list, it couldn't possible to apply the binary search algorithm on the linked list. That's the reason search is very slow. Right? These are the differences between the array list and linked list. Hope you understood, guys, clearly. Thank you.